Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a data frame from two lists. The easiest way to create a data frame from two lists is to use the pandas module. First, we need to install pandas with pip. So we need to open a terminal, and here we can type pip install pandas and hit enter, and we are done installing it. And now we are going to use in our code. We will import pandas and pass the list to the data frame constructor, and we will have two lists, and we are going to use the zip function to combine the list. So we are going to have list of student names and list of their programming languages, their favorite programming languages. We are going to create a data frame. The data frame will have one column name called names, and other will be called languages or programming. And index will be the numbers in ascending order. So let's import pandas first. Import pandas as PD. And this will be our list of names, student names. And then we are going to have programming languages. And then we are going to use a data frame and pd dot data frame, and we are going to convert it to a list after we use zip on list one. We are going to combine with the zip. This will be programming language list, and index will be set to 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to have column names. So this will be column names will be students. So we are going to student names are Just we are going to do names for now. And the other column name we're going to have is programming. Programming column and name column. And now we are going to print the result our data frame, and we are going to check the output. So here is the output, the names with their programming languages. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.